Hello and welcome to Session 1, Discover Data Analysis in Power BI. I'm Andrew Conniff, a Microsoft technical trainer specializing in data and AI. Today we will explore the journey of data analysis using Power BI, so let's dive right in. Data analysis plays a crucial role in transforming raw data into meaningful business insights. This journey begins with understanding the vast amounts of data generated each day and ends with crafting a story that drives business decisions. This graphic depicts that Power BI supports transformations of raw or relational data into interactive visuals and business insights. As a data analyst, you are on a journey. So think about all the data that's being generated each day and that is available in all of our organizations. From transactional data in a traditional database to telemetry data from services you use, signals you get from different areas like social media, our business collects and stores massive amounts of data. And yet businesses continue to struggle to use that data in a meaningful and productive way, which impacts our ability to act. Our organizations should be able to use the vast amounts of data and information in a way that positively impacts the business. Business decision makers depend on accurate story to drive their business decisions. The faster the business can make a precise decision, the more competitive they will be and the better advantage they will have. The key to unlocking all of this data is being able to tell a story with it via compelling and insightful reports. Your journey of telling a story with the data also ties into building that data culture within your organization. While telling that story is important, where that story is told is also crucial, making sure the story is told to the right people. The process of data analysis focuses on the tasks of cleaning, modeling, and visualizing the data. The concept of data analysis and how it is important to the business should not be understated. The core components of analyzing data are divided into the following categories. Descriptive analytics helps answer questions about what has happened based on historical data. And the descriptive analytics techniques summarize large semantic models to describe outcomes to stakeholders. Diagnostic analytics techniques supplement the more basic descriptive analytics. They take the findings from descriptive analytics and dig deeper to find the cause. The performance indicators are further investigated to discover why they got better or worse. Predictive analytics techniques use historical data to identify trends and determine if they're likely to recur. Predictive analytic tools provide valuable insight into what may happen in the future. Prescriptive data analytics techniques use insights from predictive analytics, allowing data-driven decisions to be made. This technique allows businesses to make informed decisions in the face of uncertainty. Cognitive analytics helps us to learn what might happen if circumstances change, and how we might handle these situations, deriving conclusions based on existing knowledge bases, and then adding these findings back into the knowledge base for future inferences. And it's like a self-learning feedback loop. Let's talk about the 5 key areas that you'll engage in during the data analysis process. Preparing. As a data analyst, you'll probably spend most of your time split between the preparing and the modeling task. Bad or incorrect data can have a major impact, resulting in invalid reports, a loss of trust, and can negatively affect the business decisions, all which lead to a loss in revenue, potentially, or a negative business impact and more. Modeling. Once the data is in the proper state, it's ready to be modeled. Data modeling is the process of determining how your tables are related to each other. This is done by defining and creating relationships between the tables, and from there, you're going to enhance the model by defining metrics, adding custom calculations to enrich the data, and then we move on to visualizing. This task is where you get to bring your data to life. The goal of the visualization task is to ultimately solve business problems. A well-designed report should tell a compelling and impactful story about the data. This will enable business decision makers to quickly gain needed insights. Using appropriate visualizations and interactions, an effective report guides the reader through the content quickly and efficiently, allowing the reader to follow a narrative throughout the data. And the analyze task is the important step of understanding and interpreting the information that is displayed in the report. In your role as a data analyst, you should understand the analytical capabilities of Power BI and how to use those to find insights and identify patterns and trends and predict outcomes, and then communicate those insights in such a way that everyone can understand it. There are many components to manage in Power BI, including reports, dashboards, workspaces, and semantic models, and more. As a data analyst, you are responsible for the management of these Power BI items, overseeing and sharing the distribution of the items such as reports, dashboards, and ensuring the security of Power BI items. And this concludes our session. There are many ways to continue your learning journey. We encourage you to watch other videos in this course or search out your next favorite topic on Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn.